Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pooja's Art World. So today's topic is basics of sketching for beginners. Hello guys, this is Pooja Soni. In this video, I'll give you some tips of sketching. And if you want to learn sketching, then follow these basic steps. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. So as a beginner, you can use any type of simple drawing copy or any simple sheets because they are less expensive. So let's talk about pencils. Which pencils you have to use? I use Faber-Castell pencils. These are very good in shading. And I use Apsara pencils also. These pencils are also very good in use. So you can use both of them. You have to make 2 points and then join them with a straight line. You have to practice this to make a smooth and straight line. You can make 3 points as well and try to join them in a straight line. After practicing this, you can make straight lines without any points. So you can practice to make more straight lines and improve your drawing skills because these are very helpful in line shading. So practice more and more. Try to make them in different directions. So try to make simple shapes like rectangle, triangle, try to make other shapes also.